Cross-price elasticity of demand. Cross-price elasticity of demand, XCD, measures the responsiveness of the quantity demanded of one good to a change in the price of another good. It is calculated as the percentage change in quantity demanded of one good divided by the percentage change in the price of the other good. If XCD is positive, it indicates that the two goods are substitutes, meaning that as the price of one good increases, the demand for the other good also increases. If XCD is negative, it indicates that the two goods are complements, meaning that as the price of one good increases, the demand for the other good decreases. Cross-price elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of the quantity demanded of one good to changes in the price of another good. It helps to determine whether two goods are substitutes or complements. Substitutes. If the cross-price elasticity of demand is positive, it indicates that the goods are substitutes. An increase in the price of one good leads to an increase in the quantity demanded of the other good. For example, if the price of tea increases, demand for coffee might increase. Complements. If the cross-price elasticity of demand is negative, it indicates that the goods are complements. An increase in the price of one good leads to a decrease in the quantity demanded of the other good. For example, if the price of petrol increases, demand for cars might decrease. The formula for income elasticity of demand is XCD equals to % change in quantity demanded of good A divided by % change in price of good B. Mathematically, it can be represented as follows. Where QD1 and QD0 are the quantities demanded of good A at time periods 1 and 0, respectively. PB1 and PB0 are the prices of good B at time periods 1 and 0, respectively. Let us understand the implications for businesses and policymakers. First is consumer behavior analysis. Understanding XCD helps businesses identify relationships between their products and complementary or substitute goods. This knowledge informs pricing strategies and product development. For instance, if two goods are complements, a business might consider bundling them together to boost sales. Market response to economic changes. XCD helps businesses understand how changes in the price of one product affect demand for related products. This insight is crucial for pricing decisions and managing product portfolios. Policy implications. XCD informs policymakers about the impact of policies such as tariffs or subsidies on related industries. For instance, imposing tariffs on imported goods might lead to increased demand for domestically produced substitutes. Strategic decision-making. Businesses use YED and XCD to formulate pricing strategies, forecast demand, and allocate resources effectively. For instance, if a business identifies strong cross-price elasticity between its products and substitutes, it might adjust its pricing strategy to remain competitive.